Alrighty, so I'll make this my first video on car stuff. So this is my dad's Mark II Jag. So it's a 64 Mark II. Last registered in 2008. Jeez, I didn't realise I'd been off that road that long. So yeah, she's still got the old original like cross ply tyres on it and everything like that. He bought this late 90s, mid to late 90s, might be mid 90s. He actually originally bought it to restore to send to Japan. There was some people at the time who were looking for somebody to restore vehicles and send them to Japan. Dad was going to get into that, but I think life got in the road and just it never managed to get up and running. He's been doing I think he's been doing a bit of repair on the front mudguard here because it was rusty, fender. So yeah, got the door off it obviously. So he's been doing a bit of work on that. I can't remember what engine's in it. It's a 6. I can't remember if it's a things. It's a 3 litre, I think. 3.2 or 3.4 or whatever they were. Can't remember. Sounds good though when it's running. Good throaty old 6. Can't tell you much more about it really. If Dad was here, he better tell you about it. Oh, actually it's the rust repair panel that he's got to put on. Oh yeah. So yeah, Mum and Dad are away, just keeping away from us for a few days because of this coronavirus stuff, and we just got to come in the country and be isolated for 14 days. So yeah, it's an opportunity to get out in Dad's shed and do a few small videos that I can post up at some point. How many miles? What's old tart? 40,000 miles. Whether that's original or been around the clock, I don't know. Probably. It's not in bad shape though for its age. It's probably had a few touch-ups years ago, but yeah, so it was last registered in 2008. That's what they call a warrant of fitness. Over here, you're meant to do that every 6 months or 12 months, depending on the vehicle and the age of the vehicle and all sorts of things. So they go right through all the mechanical, the major mechanicals like the steering, suspension, brakes, rust, make sure the seat belts and lights and everything will work properly. What sort of stuff. They do that with everything over here in New Zealand. So most of the vehicles, okay, there's a few rough ones, but generally they're pretty decent shape. Suspension wise, like nothing should fall out or break, and most of them shouldn't be sloppy and all the steering, all that sort of stuff, because they just don't allow it to go through. If it's starting to get worn, they make you replace parts or recon them with older stuff or whatever. So that's a short video on Dad's Mark II. If I knew it would run, I'd start it, but I don't know. I would have to ask Dad, and he's not here, so I'm not going to try and start it and run it. I just don't know when was the last time it was even run. But he's obviously moved it in the air, so I think I'm pretty sure it still runs fine, but it's got a bit of a dent there from where one of his bikes fell over on it a few years ago. But yeah, I know he's going to re-tidy it up and get it running properly. Bonnet's open so I can show you in there anyway. Well, through battery. I can remember how the release works. There we go. So it's under the hood. Very tight in there. I think we had to rebuild this motor too, because they had bought it and it had I think it might have spun bearing in the bottom end or something, because the motor was supposed to have been done, but it sat and it was too tight. And I think when it started up, because the motor had been sitting and it probably hadn't been lubricated properly, it spun a bearing. but that was like way back, and I think we had to go through and give her another freshen up and do it properly. Just all the memories coming back. Alright guys, cheers.